Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear and dear students. Hopefully you and your family members all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is my fourth classes on modifiers. Today's I would like to discuss or practice different types of modifiers from model questions or board questions with rules. So my dear students, before that, I would like to share a video and I would like to discuss different types of important rules about modifiers, because I think last several classes many students did not attend, and few students I think did not understand my classes because or due to network problem. So my dear students, just you should be attentive and careful and take writing instrument and write down different types of important rules and information which will be helpful to you. This class is very important to you because I will try to crystal clear to you about modifiers. My dear students, it is very important because every day different types of modifiers we are using, but we do not understand. Sorry. Without modifiers, it is quite difficult to write or speak any sentences. So modifiers is important. So let's go. We watch a video about modifiers. Modifiers. Okay, are you ready? Yes, start.
A modifier is a word or phrase that adds information about another word or phrase. For example, I have a car. No modifier. I have a red car. Modifier red is modifying the noun car. Milkha Singh ran. No modifier. Milkha Singh ran fast. Modifier fast is modifying the verb ran. Adjectives and adverbs are modifiers. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. For example, she is beautiful. Here, the adjective beautiful modifies the pronoun she. Adjectives that modify nouns are used after a determiner and before the noun. For example, the king married a charming princess. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adverbs that modify adjectives or adverbs are used immediately in front of the word they modify. For example, the nurse very gently put the baby in the cradle.
So my dear student, we have watched a video. From this video, we can collect some information about modifiers. What is the definition of modifiers? Modifiers is a word or a phrase or a clause that gives extra information or a specify or limit a word or another word is called modifier. So again, modifiers is a word or a clause or a phrase that gives extra information about another word is called modifiers. So modifiers always give extra information. This is good information for you. Modifiers always gives extra information. You should not forget this. Okay, let's go. Now, I will show, I will discuss different types of important rules from modifiers. 1 minute. Yes. So I'm writing a sentences or I'm writing a definition about modifiers. Modifiers is a modifier is a word or a clause or a phrase modifier is a word or a phrase that gives extra information about another word. Another word. So here is a definition of modifiers. Modifier is a word or a clause or a phrase that gives extra information. So 3 elements that gives extra information about another word. Okay. Do you know the definition of phrase? Do you know the definition of phrase? What is phrase? Okay. Phrase. Phrase is a group of words Phrase is a group of words which which um, which does not contain any subject, which does not contain any subject and finite verb. And finite verb. Now, what is finite verb? Finite verb is a verb which which must be changed, according to person or tense. So finite verb is a verb which must be changed according to person or tense. Phrase is a group of words which does not contain any subject and finite verb. So phrase, some phrases structure. For example, V1, next verb with ing plus object, next V3 past participle, next so these are rules to make phrase. It's called non-finite verb. Non-finite verb is helpful to make phrases. So few days ago we discussed about non-finite verb and also discussed about flowchart. We showed how we can make flowchart and how we can get good marks from flowchart. So phrase. So I'm sure you have no problem to understand. You should try to memorize. You should try to write down in your special khata. Another important finite verb. Without finite verb, no clause can be formed. Okay, so every finite verb means different finite verb means different types of clauses. Okay, so without finite verb you cannot form any clause. Without finite verb it will be non-finite verb phrase. Okay. Group of words. So modifiers is a word or a clause or a phrase that gives extra information about another word. So here is important extra information. So you know modifiers is two types, pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. Now I'll show different types of pre-modifiers. different types of premodifiers. Different types of premodifiers. Okay. So first rule is determiner. Determiner. What is determiner? Determiner such types of words which limit or specific or quantify another word or noun. For example, if I write man is good, so this is a sentence, it is correct, but contextually it is not correct, because it is quite impossible whole man in the world will not be good. So different types of men, different types of activities, character, some will be good, some will be bad. This is the nature of the world. So if we write, but if you but if you use a determiner, for example, A. So A is the article, just take place before a noun. So A modify the man. So now a man is good. A man is good means একজন মানুষ হয় ভালো। এটাও কিছুটা অনির্দিষ্ট হয়ে গিয়েছে। But if we use the, then the man means মানুষটি, the modify the noun. So মানুষটি হয় ভালো, মানুষটি হয় ভালো, মানুষটি হয় ভালো, এখানে দি ব্যবহার করে ম্যানটাকে মডিফাই করা হয়েছে, স্পেসিফিক করে দেওয়া হয়েছে, লিমিট করে দেওয়া হয়েছে। আমরা আরো একটা সেন্টেন্স এমন লিখি যে গার্ল ইজ মাই সিস্টার, গার্ল ইজ মাই সিস্টার, মেয়ে হয় আমার বোন। তাহলে সমস্ত পৃথিবীর মানুষ তো আমাদের বোন হবে না, কেউ হবে আমাদের মা, খালা, চাচা, চাচি, ফুপু, এমনই তো না। বাট যদি আমরা এখানে এমন লিখি দ্যাট, দ্যাট যদি আমরা এরকম একটা ডিটারমিনার ব্যবহার করি, তাহলে তুমি দেখো দ্যাট গার্ল মানে ওই মেয়েটা, ওই মেয়েটা, এটাকে স্পেসিফিক করা হয়েছে, এটাকে এক্সট্রা ইনফরমেশন দেওয়া হয়েছে, এটাকে লিমিট করা হয়েছে, হ্যাঁ, যে ওই মেয়েটা হয় আমার বোন। তাহলে সব মেয়ে না, শুধুমাত্র ওই মেয়েটাই হয় আমার বোন। তো এই যে অবস্থা, এগুলোকে আমরা বলবো ডিটারমিনার। তাহলে এখন ডিটারমিনার কিছু লিস্ট আছে, determiner list, six types of determiner. For example, article, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, numerals, and ordinal numerals. So look, list of determiner. List of determinants. Number 1, article. Article. Article A, an, and the. Next, demonstrative. Demonstratives. So demonstrative, did, those, and that. These are important. Next, possessive. Possessives. So possessives, his, my, our, your, their, and Rotons. সো এখানে একটা নাম ব্যবহার করা হলো, তোমার নামের পরেও যদি অ্যাপোস্ট্রোফি এস দাও তাহলে সেটা পসেসিভ হয়ে যাবে। আচ্ছা, নেক্সট নাম্বার 4, every determiners is important to solve modifiers. Okay, I will show how you can solve modifiers with using rules. My dear students, be careful. Again, I want to tell you, please be attentive, write down some important topics or rules so that it will be help you to solve different types of modifiers. Okay, acha, next, quantifiers. So quantifiers, all, both, many, some, no, several. Okay, these are important. So next, numerals. 1, 2, 3, etc. Next, ordinal numerals. First, second, third, etc. Okay, my dear students, try to memorize. Just you will get 1 or 2 minutes and you have to memorize. Number 1, article A and D, demonstratives, these, those, that, possessives, his, my, our, your, their, Rotons, quantifiers, all, both, many, any, some, little, no, severals, etc. Numerals 2, 3, 4, etc. Ordinal numerals, first, second, third, fourth,